So please play. Hi!
Oh, door slam.
Hello? Anybody there? How's my hair? Hi. Yeah, I know. But, did you ring the bell?
Yes. It's a bad neighborhood. It's a bad neighborhood. You gotta lock it up.
I know. People just come right in.
We were trying. Stop.
Ah! Camera. Bye, camera.
Yeah, that'd be great. All right, enjoy the rest of the party. Bye. I'll see you guys.
Merry Christmas.
Goodbye.
But I don't want to go, Mikey.
Wait, right there.